Is your user struggling to search for emails in Outlook due to a large mailbox size? Outlook is one of the most widely used email clients in business organizations, but many users exceed its 50 gigabytes mailbox and 1.5 terabyte online archive limit by failing to delete emails. This ever-growing data can cause several issues for users. Common challenges include inaccurate search results, data loss due to accidental or intentional email deletion, Outlook freezing or slowing down when handling large data sets or searching older emails, difficulty in finding specific emails or missing emails entirely. The primary issue is that Outlook struggles to manage its mail functionality when the data exceeds 50 gigabytes. A solution that would revolutionize your email management is the Barracuda Email Cloud Archival. Ensure seamless searching, secure data storage, and enhanced performance, no matter the size of your mailbox. A copy of all emails sent, received, and local mails is stored in the Barracuda Cloud Archive. Current emails are searchable directly within Outlook. With the Barracuda plugin installed, users can also search historical data effortlessly. How does Barracuda Cloud Archival solve all these problems? Results are very accurate with the Barracuda Basic and Advanced Search feature. Barracuda Cloud maintains multiple copies of email data with a legal hold enforced. All emails remain tamper-proof and ensure 100% retrievability. As all email data are archived on the Barracuda Cloud, by enforcing a 2 to 3 year retention policy on the primary mailbox, issues such as hanging or unresponsive Outlook will be eliminated. Users can access all archived emails directly from Outlook with the Barracuda Archive Search plugin, allowing users to search and retrieve emails without affecting mailbox performance. By archiving emails, Barracuda reduces the data stored in the primary mailbox. This keeps the mailbox swift and nimble, improving Outlook's performance. With the Barracuda Cloud Archival, you would be offering a virtually unlimited storage mailbox to your user. Some other key benefits are: after searching for email, you can perform standard actions like forwarding, replying to all, downloading emails, or exporting them as PST files. With all data archived, the administrator and the user can search for the data. Importantly, the administrator can search the data for the users who have left the organization. Legal archive for the entire company. Seamlessly import all historical emails into the archive. Here's a quick demo. Users get access to the Barracuda Outlook plugin for quick search and retrieval of historical emails. Search for the data that you want. You can carry out all the email functions with the retrieved email. Your archived data is completely secure and tamper-proof, meaning it can't be deleted or altered. Alternatively, administrator and user can access the Barracuda Cloud Archive through a web browser interface. You can procure it for all users or extend it to a set of users or those facing challenges with Outlook data size. With Barracuda Cloud in India, all data remains stored within the country. Take a free POC to experience Barracuda Cloud Archive. Get in touch with us to know more.